Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video again I'm here with a very healthy recipe, and the name of the recipe is chia seed pudding. You can use this as a breakfast or you can serve this as a dessert too. So let's get started and see how to make it. So for that I'm taking 1 tablespoon of chia seed. Chia seed is a very good source of calcium, phosphorus, manganese, magnesium, and apart from this is a good source of omega-3 fatty acid too. Apart from this, I'm taking few raisins and half cup of milk. Here you can also take 1 to 2 teaspoon of honey. I'm skipping that because I don't want it to be too much sweeter. Raisins are also a good source of iron and natural sugar. So here I'm adding raisins, so it will make a little bit sweeter. And also I'm going to use few slices of chopped ripe bananas and a few blueberries. You can always add your choice of seasonal fruits in it. So first of all, we have to soak this chia seed and raisin into the milk for overnight or at least 3 to 4 hours. So I always prefer to soak in the same glass or same bowl or same cup in which I am going to serve this. So here I am soaking in this glass. As it is a good source of calcium, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acid, you can serve this to your kids also. And if you are on a weight loss diet, this is a very good option for your breakfast too. After around 4 hours of soaking, look at the texture of it. Isn't it so tempting? So now I'm going to add my chopped bananas and blueberries, and at the same time you can add 1 to 2 teaspoon of honey also if you wish to. Vegan people can always replace the dairy milk with the coconut milk or any other vegan source of milk. So friends, do try this recipe, and if you like this, then don't forget to hit the like button, share button, and subscribe this channel to see such more recipes and DIY videos. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. Bye bye.